Alright, y'all, so we all finished, and she fell asleep here. It's called memory foam? I think it's called memory foam. No? Whatever. Y'all, this is crazy how good this thing feels. Like literally like sinking into it. It's pretty wild. Good morning. It's crazy. Yeah.
Let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. No one knew you like I do. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night. Telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies.
Look at that stream. Look at that stream. Yeah. I did it. Woo. I'm so happy. Look at that stream, y'all. I just want to scream, y'all. Go, Jit.
This is the car. Oh, what the heck is this?
A water filter
Oh wow, okay.
to promote clearer skin.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's when I brush my teeth, it's easy for me to...
No, you can't do it on that because you gonna.
Oh my gosh, you just took that away.
You can't.
Oh, okay, cool.
It's a water filter.
Oh, nice. Okay. That's cool.
It's supposed to help promote healthier skin or prevent acne because the water is typically tap water is like more contaminated than people think. So it's a filter.
Of course.
You know, and tap water, we brush our teeth with tap water. You know, it could be lead in the water, blah, blah, blah.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Well, I'm excited for that. Ain't even gonna lie, I'm excited for that.
Yeah, it's cute. It's cool. Rearrange some things because I got a second one of these shelves so that they're going to be stacked up. It is right there in the living room. My husband built it last night. It's from Walmart. I'll leave the link down below. So I'm about to stack the shelves, finish putting those shoes on the shelf. And then next to the shelf for the shoes, I'm going to rotate my perfume rack here and then move that one here so that this entire section here will be completely empty and accessible for my couch. So hopefully the couch will fit. If not, we'll just have to rearrange and put it on this wall and then move all those items over. It's like a coppery type of color. It's super cute and it's gonna go so well. I'm gonna get rid of this red rug for sure. Back splat in the middle, which is, I don't know. I gotta figure something out because it's either the perfumes are gonna have to go on this wall. Hey, I'm gonna show you guys all the new cleaning items and supplies and beauty items that I just got from the store. A lot of these are my first time using them. Hold on, I'm probably ashy. A lot of these items, it's my first time using them. Let's get started. I'm going to be using the Downy Balance Crisp Rain and Blue eucalyptus. I thought this was really cute. And I like the smell of it. It smells very clean, very fresh. We're going to be trying out the Downy Bliss and Balance. This is the same scent, crisp rain and blue eucalyptus. And this one is sparkling amber and rose. I'm going to be trying out this sweet watermelon vine air freshener spray. Y'all, this smells really good. And I don't know what's the new craze with watermelon, but everybody's loving watermelon scented things. And I think it's perfect for the spring because I feel like watermelon actually really smells good when it's in fragrances. So we're going to be trying this out. I'm super excited for that. For my plugins, we're going to be trying out for the first time refreshing watermelon and berries. This smells really, really good. I like the way it smells. It's not too berry, it's not too sweet, and it does have that fresh scent because of the watermelon. I have my fresh linen, which is like my regular everyday type of scent. And then we have our Fabuloso. I like Fabuloso. I love the yellow and the green one. We have a watermelon Fabuloso scent, and I've got 2 big jugs of them. These are only $5 a piece, so I got 2 of them. And yeah, when I do my deep clean on Saturday, I'll be using these to mop the entire apartment. Blue cleaner things that, you know, you put in every time I flush. And then lastly, we have a Dawn Power Wash in the scent Mango Apple Tango. I love the power washes. They actually really do work when you have those tough stains on your dishes. So I use this anytime I baked or fried something, and it really does get the stains out. So we're gonna try a new scent. I always use the original. Today we're gonna try the Apple and Mango Tango. All right, now let's go to personal body care. Best mouthwash on the market is the TheraBreath ones. I'm gonna be trying the Invigorating Icy Mint. These are not like spicy. These are not like, you know, they don't burn your mouth at all. It's important to use mouthwash in your dental and your oral care. So make sure you're using mouthwash. This is the one I like to use now. So I'm going to be trying EOS for the first time. I'm going to be trying this body lotion. I hear so many good things about it. This is a Shea Butter 24-hour body lotion, and I got the scent coconut water. Yeah, I'm going to try it out and see if I like it. Everybody's talking about it. Everybody's buying these up at Target. I got mine from Walmart, and we're going to try it out. And then also we're going to be trying out the EOS Shea Butter Shave Cream in the scent Pomegranate Raspberry. Your girl is going to be back to shaving her legs. I'm going to be shaving my legs, specifically only my legs, because waxing is getting a bit to be expensive for your girl, because I'm on a budget for some personal gains, and I'm trying to, you know, pull money back where I can. So I'm like, let me go back to shaving. So I will be shaving my legs, and you'll be seeing that in like a hygiene video coming up soon. So yeah, we're gonna try this EOS Shave Cream 3-blade razor. I got a 3-blade razor. My lashes are literally just falling out. I've got some Dial antibacterial soap in spring water. This is good for down there and when you just need a detox. It's good to use an antibacterial soap on top of your body wash. Body wash doesn't really kill bacteria. It just washes your body. So yeah, just got this. And I'm going to be trying out the Dove body scrub in pomegranate seeds and shea butter. I just thought the bottle was really cute, and I really want to start incorporating body scrubs more into my routine. I use them on occasion. I want to just use them a little bit more. So it's going to be antibacterial soap, body wash, body scrub, moisturize. That's going to be my thing.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, way. Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make